got a number of ways of getting the chain over. It's fairly heavy. You can tie a rope to that, throw the rope over, drag the chain over. It's not a high load, I'm going to throw it over. About 3 small loops. Don't want to go over too far, it can come up under the truck and damage things. And just underarm it. I'll put all the chain up on the tray. Chains do not go around tie rails like ropes and straps. The chains will go around what's called the dropper. Generally there's an RSJ going through there. That's the strongest part of the vehicle. From the front to the rear. The hook sits that way rather than that way. Hook it inside the combing rail if you can. Lay it out flat with the hook sitting that way. First thing we do is ensure the chain is pulled over and tight. It's still hooked on the other side. A couple of ways of doing this. Through the dropper. Now we see a lot of guys tension in this manner. Hook a dog onto there and to there. It's probably not the best way. If a link picks up a half a link, it can be loose. It's falsely tight, but it will come loose if it slips a half a link. We're going to do it different. We use the chain on this side of the vehicle exactly the same as on the other side. All of the chain on the tray and away from us. The hook only around the dropper and then hooked up inside the combing rail. This way when we tension it, there's only one run of chain. This is the ratchet dog. This style of dog, as opposed to the lever dog, is considered to be a lot safer. It's the dog actually that you have to use now when obtaining a license. Now, you need to make sure that we've got plenty of thread out here in order to bring that in tension. So we take the dog up and put it on the top link first, as high as you can. Starting from down here, up onto the bottom link. You need to tension that, you can move this for an hour. What we'll do is move the ratchet so that it's on tight and turn. As it becomes tight, we don't have to worry about turning this. We're back now just onto the ratchet. Ensure that the handle stays in. Ensure that it's on the tightening position here rather than on the loose position. The chain we have to get rid of, there's a number of ways of doing that. This particular load I could probably put it in there, but it can't be in a position where it's going to fall off the truck. Half inching it around the dog will ensure that it doesn't come loose. In order to take this off, flick the ratchet to the other side, and